So back here on Bill's Avanti, and it is a tilt column, so it's very, very rare. And we were having trouble with the turn signal canceling when you would turn right. Well, it has these adjuster screws here. So the spring was popping, and this was going past. See how these work as well. They have to stay put, or it'll go like that, and your cancellation cam will go past. So I've adjusted these. I'm thinking about taking this spring and putting a little more tension on it. Because look, it wants to stay. This one pops back, but this one wants to stick. So I pulled the spring. Ta-da-da! And I'm going to take and just make it a little tighter. Just a little bit. So I went in, I adjusted that spring. You can see I stretched it a little bit to be tighter. I also adjusted in here. This was actually broken and stripped, but we made it work. And I also went down below. Right turn. Left turn. No turn. So our next step, we're going to fire it up, set the wheel on here, make sure they cancel.